Mike and John in the morning, and we welcome into the studio George Watts and Heidi Enders. George here to tell us a little about the swim meet that's coming up. It's the Kenzie Classic.
That's correct.
And that's coming up not this weekend, but next.
Right.
And let's talk a little about that, because there's a special edition this year that's been added on, and that's why Heidi's here.
Right.
So let's tie it all together here, George. You know how to do it.
All right. Well, the Kenzie Classic is the swim meet that's scheduled next weekend that the Howell Highlanders host every year.
Right.
And it's in memory of my daughter, who was a member of the team, who passed away basically on the pool deck back in 2005 from a heart ailment that we had no idea that she had. So over the years, the Kenzie Classic has been a dual fundraiser for both the Mackenzie Scholarship that Lori, my wife Lori, and I set up in Mackenzie's honor,
Right.
Which I might add, we've given out $24,000 scholarships so far.
Fantastic.
And also for the swim team. But this year we're tying in a new event. Part of it is in our goal is always to get and tell parents how important it is to have heart checks done on your athletes.
And this was something we've heard more and more about over the past decade or so. And unfortunately for Mackenzie, this is something that you guys didn't know about. And young athletes should be tested.
That's correct. Since Mackenzie died in 2005, 28 athletes in the state of Michigan have passed away from heart ailments while participating in sports.
And these are undiagnosed
Right.
ailments that otherwise, the parents and the athletes themselves have no idea. They go undetected. And Heidi, that's where you come in to talk about what it is that the screenings will encompass and what it is, hopefully, that parents and athletes can get out of this.
Yes, well, National Diagnostics is a healthcare provider. We're headquartered in Novi, Michigan, and have provided on-site heart and vascular screenings for corporations, for adults, and then also for the athlete program. We screen them free. We do an actual EKG and echocardiogram. So we're looking at inside, looking at the structure of the heart, any valve abnormalities, and also any thickness of the heart muscle, which is the leading cause of sudden cardiac death.
And
among athletes.
the difference between an EKG and an echocardiogram,
Yes.
just real quickly.
Yes, EKG is looking at the electrical system of the heart, any arrhythmias that can be detected at that time.
That's when you go into the doctor and they hook all the
Yeah,
wires
the
up to you,
leads.
right?
And you get
Okay.
the
EKG.
paper strip, or that will show you the
Yep, any
just to show.
blips.
I don't want to get too technical on you, Heidi.
Yeah.
The up and down little things on the
Yes,
paper.
little blips.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. And so what we do is we add on it's a 15-minute appointment, and they will have an echocardiogram, which is an ultrasound-based exam, so it's non-invasive. It's very quick, and it actually looks at the structure of the heart, looks at how it's functioning and pumping blood flow to the rest of the body, and if there's any thickness in the heart muscle, that'll be detected and measured.
Now, the person getting tested, can they actually see this
Yes.
as you would an ultrasound? Do you get a recording of it or no? Or is it
Yes,
just something?
we can burn
Yeah.
it on CDs. We do follow-up, assist them if there's any issues. We provide, some specialty services, and we walk them through the process. We show them and just educate them too.
Now, you said it's about 15 minutes. Just quickly explain, what do you go through when you walk in, you say, okay, I want to get tested, you fill out your paperwork and such. What's involved with, I'm there, you lay on the table, or what do you do?
Yeah, what's nice is we're delivering, we have an actual mobile unit, it's a Heartmobile that has 3 different exam rooms, and we'll be doing the adult screenings and the athlete screenings, and they go into private exam room, get on the bed, they do take their shirt off, and we do the EKG, put a little of the gel on the chest and screen them.
And the great thing about this now it's mainly geared towards the student athletes,
Of course.
but adults as well are welcome to come on, and parents
Yes.
welcome to get this. And if the parent pays for an adult one, the student is free.
Is free, yes.
So that can be a good bargain and a great way to,
It is.
for the family, get a peace of mind.
Yep, for parents, it's important to take control of their health care. Heart disease kills more Americans than all cancer combined, so it's very important to, get screened as well, and then protect your athlete, make sure that they're participating safely.
Well, it's a great reminder, too, as you said, with so many adults being affected. And we think of, well, our parents might have had heart issues, but
Yeah.
I'm living a different lifestyle than they did. But if there's history in the family, this is definitely a worthwhile
And it's
event to look into.
And it's just worth noting, just for the squeamish among us, no pain, no needles, no radiation.
No radiation.
It's a very simple procedure, but
Yeah.
important. And George, the Kenzie Classic, let's talk about that. Give the details on that for people that want to come out and enjoy that.
Well, we have 6 teams this year. This is the 8th year for the Kinsey Classic. We have 6 teams coming from Pontiac, Jackson, the Detroit area. Pinckney is another local team that's in it. We've got all kinds of prizes, giveaways. We have silent auction items, raffle tickets. We've got, actually last night somebody dropped off to the house Notre Dame, Michigan tickets.
Wow.
So it's one of the raffle prizes we're going to be giving away.
Might be some interest in that.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, the Michigan State fan in me really has a hard time with that, but I think that's a pretty big ticket. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah,
I think so.
Red Wing tickets, and it's just a fun day. We really look at it more now as just a celebration of Mackenzie's life and the smiles she put on everybody's faces, and they continue to do.
Well,
it.
it's a great tribute that you and Lori have put together to her, and then adding this element in as well. I mean, that really just opens it up.
Yeah, and it's just so important that parents stop and think about the health, overall health of their children and their athletes.
Well, and that's one of the things you think of, when you have kids and mine play sports as well, you look at it and it's like, oh, they're healthy, they're running around, they're doing things, they're not sitting there playing video games, and they're eating well, but you never know, these hidden things can come out, and this is a great opportunity to look into it. Now, the swim meet itself, that's on Saturday?
Well, they're doing a little
Or both
different this
days?
year. They're going to do diving on Friday night.
Okay.
Because it always seems like the divers kind of got shoved in the very first part of the morning, and some of the parents wanted to be able to participate a little more. So we're doing that Friday night, and then Saturday is going to be the actual swim meet.
All right, so Friday the 23rd.
Right.
And then Saturday the 24th,
Right.
and that's when the screenings are going on as well,
Yes.
both
Both
days.
days. Yep.
All right, we'll have this information on our website, whmi.com, in the events section. And again, Heidi, we appreciate you coming in, and George, continued success with the Kinsey Classic.
One quick item: if some students aren't able to afford the screening and their parents aren't able to do it as well, so they can get the free one off their parents, we do have some scholarships available. The Sunrise Rotary Club here in Livingston County graciously donated the funds to be able to take care of that. Athletes should just contact Dan Hutchinson up at the Howell High School at the athletic department, and he can get them going on that right track.
All right, so need won't be an issue here as far as people being able to get
Right.
these. If they need them, they're going to get them.
That's correct.
Right.
Right. Do we need appointments, or can we just show up as far as the heart screenings go?
Appointments, our appointments are not necessarily, required, but appreciated.
It would help out with your-
It
so you don't gotta
does
line out the
help
door?
out. It
Yeah.
does help out to make it run smoothly, but we'll have some extra staff there, predominantly on Saturday.
Okay.
So,
Again, the event Friday the 23rd from 10 to 6 and Saturday from 9 to 5. That's at Parker Middle School in the parking lot for the heart screenings. Heidi Enders from the wellness director at National Diagnostic Services in Novi. We appreciate it.
And just real quick, again, I just want to point out as well, for every adult cardiogram, $10 goes to the Mackenzie Watts Memorial Scholarship Fund. So let's not forget that.
So you're helping somebody else while helping yourself. So it's a great event. We appreciate you two coming in this morning. George
Thank
and
you
Heidi,
so
thanks so much.